BT's Business Report is sponsored by Dynamic Funds.
All right, time now to say good morning to Mike Eppel from CityNews 680. We got a new handle for you, got a new title for you.
New branding's in effect. Good morning, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you very much. Yeah, new branding in effect. Same old great coverage, but new branding for sure.
That's
right.
And business at 26 and 56 past every hour of every day.
Yeah, just like it always has been. Perfect. Excellent. And,
exactly.
First off, you're talking about oil prices. Now, driving in, 149 was the price that I saw, pretty much 148.9. And, 150 is just around the corner pretty much.
And, it was kind of interesting just being out and about over the weekend, Tammy, and seeing the price at the pumps. And traffic didn't seem to be any lighter, which was, are people immediately getting used to it? Did we just say, well, what can you do? You got to go, so you got to pay the price. But look, the price for oil this morning is now north of $83 per barrel. So that is a fresh 7-year high. Traders are saying, and again, they're going to be biased, right, about saying, oh, $100 per barrel. Easy. But the market fundamentals are pointing to that direction. There has been a huge pickup in global demand for energy. No new investment. The shift to renewables, there's a lot of talk, but they're not ready, what's in place right now, to offset fossil fuels. There are no new nuclear power plants being built anytime soon. That is the baseload power that you need if you're getting away from natural gas. For example, are there more rivers being dammed up someplace and hydroelectric capacity coming on? No. And again, all of these things take years. So in the switch, and it's, again, like so many other things that have happened over the past year and a half, things are happening so quickly, and the market has to adjust. So we're seeing the ripple effect going through the energy trade this morning. And yeah, it's going to be expensive going into the winter months to heat your house and to fill up the gas tank. And then the premier on Friday saying, well, he'll cut gas taxes for each cent that the Trudeau government pulls down the carbon tax. Ottawa's not going to do that. Gas taxes aren't going anywhere. And don't forget, the HST, for example, is a cumulative tax. The higher the price for that you pay for gas, well, that's a percentage based on the HST, so that gets more expensive. So it just builds on itself here. Not getting any cheaper anytime soon. Yeah. That's right, compound, exactly.
Yeah, and the TSX then, you're seeing it with the energy stocks on the TSX as well.
Here's the thing. I was talking to an energy analyst on the weekend who said the best hedge against higher energy prices is to buy energy stocks, and he's not wrong. Right now, at least, the energy sector has been the star of the show on the TSX, combined with the banks and the tech heavyweights. And lo and behold, the TSX on Friday hit an all-time record high. It's up 2.5% over the past 5 days, up more than 20% this year. Wall Street's on a roll as well, with the Dow coming off one of its best weeks in about 6 months. So, yeah, each thing is kind of tied here. You think, oh, man, consumers aren't going to have as much money to spend. On the flip side, though, the markets are going up because, in fact, the earnings have been very, very strong so far.
Okay, not so strong. China's economic growth, that is on the decline this time.
And again, this comes back a lot to power production. China is having some issues in certain cities with the power production, whether, they wanted to get off of oil and coal. That didn't happen. They have to switch back now. Lots of questions about what they're going to say at the upcoming COP26 climate summit about that. But their economic growth rate's slowing. The production, the supply chain issues, all of this hitting China as well. That's not good for the global economic outlook. So we're seeing a little bit of concern about that, I suppose, from an equity market standpoint this morning.
All right. Walmart. Looks like Walmart's just one of the retailers that's starting to get that Christmas shopping going a little bit earlier with a month-long Black Friday sale. Why are they doing this? Why so early?
Well, first of all, the retail sector figures that consumers actually have a lot of money to spend. Last Christmas and the holidays weren't exactly normal. People were shopping online. They weren't going into stores. You're not going to see the Black Friday blitz that we've seen in other years. They're still kind of hesitant to that. So they're pulling everything forward here weeks in advance. And don't forget, these companies have been saying for the past little while, if you want something now, buy it, because it might not be available because of the supply chain issues again. This is why they're saying they're trying to spread things out so you don't have this mad rush for the whatever the hot item is this year, because you got to get it, you know. So they're just trying to stretch it a little bit, and you got to figure that that this is just going to lead to more consumer spending over a longer time frame. So we're starting to see that here. You might see a few more sales coming into your email address as well, because goodness knows we do not get enough flyers on a daily basis in our emails.
Oh, I can't. I don't even want to start talking about this, Mike. Honestly, I cannot tell you how many. Unsubscribe.
I'm seeing Christmas decorations up in various places.
It is Bitcoin as well.
Haven't even got through Halloween yet.
Oh,
yep.
God, I know.
Yes.
I know.
I know.
All
Yeah.
right.
Oh,
well,
Bitcoin, yes.
Yeah, Bitcoin.
$62,000 US this morning. Exchange traded fund set to hit the market in the US this morning, and crypto's back in favor. A month ago, it was 41 grand. So
wow. All
you're
right. Good
it's
bet,
going
then.
up too.
All right.
Apparently.
All right. Thank you very much, Mike.
Thank you.
All right. We'll chat soon. And the future of the city of Toronto now officially up for discussion. Just ahead, we find out what lies ahead with land development, the economy, and the environment all top of mind. Stay with us.